Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add answers to questions on the paired application so that you can play with your partner and answer a few questions together about your relationship. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should wait till it's loaded in, and then you should scroll down until you find this question packs section, and here you are going to find a bunch of questions about your relationship that you can play with your partner. And here you can find this free daily conversation section as well, containing a bunch of helpful questions that will help your partner and yourself to initiate a meaningful conversation. So here you can find the question as you tap on it, and then you should type in your own answer. Tap on this send button, and now you should pair with your partner in order to engage in a meaningful conversation together. So that's how you can answer to these questions. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.